I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. Okay. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can directly click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will handle your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Now I am going to start my PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. We will go to the MyLab Pearson, go to the PowerPoint session, and then click on PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. Click on Start button, and then we will start this exam to solve it step by step. Please focus on my PC screen and reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Accounting, Finance, and many more online courses. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Question number 1 of this exam is that in PowerPoint, open the file name P01H1plugin.pptx from the document folder. Okay, we will open the file. File name is given in the question, you can see, and focus on my PC screen. We will go to the file tab and then click on open button, and then we will select our file which we saved in our PC folder. I have saved in my document folder. The file name is P01H plugin.pptx. We will select this file and then click on open button. Now we will save the presentation as a PowerPoint presentation with the name P01 plugin dash Jane's while event. Okay, we will save the presentation as PowerPoint. We will go to the file tab, click on save as, and then we will save this presentation. Name is P01 plugin dash Jane's while event. Jane's while event, click on save button. Change the theme variant for the entire presentation to the green variant in the first row. Okay, change the theme variant for the entire presentation to the green variant in the first row. We will go to the design tab, and in the we will apply green variant. On slide 1 in the title placeholder, type blogging 101. We will click on slide 1. In the title placeholder, we will type blogging 101. On slide 1 in the subtitle placeholder, we will type Jane White's Running Club. Jane's White Running Club. Question is completed. Now the next question of this exam is that with slide 1 displayed, insert a new title and content slide as slide 2. We will go to the home tab in the slides group, click on new slide button. Now click on new slide button, and then we will insert a new title and content. Title and content is there. We will insert this. On slide 2 in the title placeholder, type Earth Day Plugging Fun Run. Okay, we will type Earth Day Plugging Fun Run. Plugging Fun Run. On slide 2 in the content placeholder, type 1 April 22-8 am. On slide 2 in the content placeholder, we will type 1 April 22 am. Question is completed. Now the next question of this exam is that with slide 2 displayed, click the new slide arrow on the home tab and then select reuse slides. Basically in this question we will click on slide 2 with slide 2 displayed. Click the new slide arrow on the home tab. Go to the home tab in the slides group. Click on new slide button arrow. Okay, then select reuse slide. In the reuse slide pane, click browse, locate P01H1 plug event PPTX and then click choose content. Okay, you can see here. Okay, in the new reuse slide pane, click browse locate, click on browse and then we will select this file. We are locate in our document folder P01 blog event.pptx and then click choose content. Click choose content. Deselect the use source formatting checkbox in the reuse slide pane. Deselect the use source formatting checkbox. We will deselect this checkbox. You can see right side is here use source formatting checkbox. We will simply deselect this checkbox. Click insert all. We will click on insert all. Close the reuse slide pane. We will close this. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is display the presentation in the slide for sorter view. Okay, we will display the presentation in slide sorter view. We will go to the view tab. Okay, go to the presentation view and then we will click on slide sorter view button. In slide sorter view, delete slide 3. We will select this slide 3, right click on this, click on delete slide. Okay, in slide sorter view, move slide 2 so that is position after the existing slide 8. In slide sorter view, move slide 2 so that its position after the existing slide 8. Okay, double click slide 1 to return the presentation to normal view. Double click on this. Question is completed. Now I have done 4 questions of this exam right now. The next question is that change the theme color of the presentation to green. We will go to the design tab, go to the themes color. Okay, we will apply green themes color. Change the theme font to presentation to Corbeil. We will go to the theme font color and then we will apply Corbeil. Okay, question is completed now. The next question of this exam is that question number 6. Change the layout of slide 5 to picture with caption. Okay, change the layout of slide 5. We will go to the slide 5 and then we will change the layout of slide 5 to picture to caption. Right click on this, click on layout and then we will change picture to picture with caption. Keep picture with caption. Where is picture with caption? Now change the layout of slide 8 to content. We will go to the slide 8, display slide 8. Right click on this, click on layout button and then we will select to content. Okay. On slide 8, select the text in the left content placeholder. Set the font size of the text to 24 point. Okay. On slide 8, select the text in the left content placeholder. Set the font size of text to 24 point. We will go to slide 8. Select text in the left content placeholder. We will select this text and then click on font size and then we will select font style. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on font size button. We will select 24 point font size. On slide 8, change the font color of the text in the left content placeholder to green accent 1 darker 25%. Okay, we will select this, go to the font color, we will apply green accent 1 darker 25%, green accent 1 darker 25%. Okay, on slide 8, apply bold to the text in the title placeholder. We will select this text, title placeholder. We will select this title placeholder and then we will click on the bold button in the font group. We will select this. 1 second, give me a second. I am going to select this size. Title placeholder. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we will select this text and then click, go to the home tab in the font group, click on font button, select slide 1 on slide 1, select the title placeholder, set the font size of text to 80 per 80 point. Select slide 1 on slide 1, select the title placeholder and then set the font size of text to 80 point. Okay, we will select this text and go to the home tab in the font group. We will apply 80 font size on this text. On slide 1, apply bold and italic to the text in the title place holder. Okay, on slide 1, apply bold and italic. We will click on bold and then click on italic. Okay, question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 7. Click slide 5 in the content placeholder. Click the picture icon and insert plug 1. Sorry. Okay, plug 1 JPG from the document folder. On slide 5, in the content placeholder, click the picture icon. Okay, and then insert plug 1 JPG. We will select this plug 1 JPG document. We will select this, click on insert button. Click slide 4 in the right content placeholder. Click the picture icon and insert rubbish JPG from the document folder. We will click on slide 4 and then click the picture icon. Right content placeholder, click on the picture icon and then insert rubbish JPG. We will select this rubbish JPG picture, click on insert button. Click slide 8 in the right content placeholder, click the picture icon and insert Alt day JPG from document folder. Okay, click slide 8 in the right content placeholder, click the picture icon and then insert Earth Day JPG. Question is completed now. Now I'm going to do next question of this exam is question number 8. Apply the same frame black picture style to the picture on slide 5. Apply the same frame to the picture on slide 5. Black picture style. Okay. We will go to slide 5. Go to the picture format tab in the picture style and then we will apply black picture style. Okay. On slide 4, crop the rubbish image so that the top edge aligns with the plus 1.0 inch mark above 0 on the vertical ruler. Okay, rubbish image, we will crop this image. We'll go to the picture format tab in the size group, click on crop so that the top edge align with the plus 1.0 inch mark above 0. Okay, 1 second. Okay. On slide 4, change the shape height of the rubbish image to 3.7. 3.7, go to the picture format in the size group. We will select 3.7. On slide 4, position the image horizontally at 6.67 and vertically at 2.02 inches. Close the format pane. Okay, we will select this. Position is horizontally and then 6.67 is horizontally and vertically is 2.02 inches. Vertically is 0.02 inches. Close the format pane. Apply the simple frame black picture style to the picture on slide 4. We will go to slide 4 and then select this picture, go to the picture format tab in the picture style group and then we will apply black picture style. Apply the perspective shadow white picture style to the picture on slide 8. Go to the slide 8. We will select this picture and then we will apply white picture style. Go to the picture format tab in the picture style group, white picture style. Okay, question is completed now. Okay, you can see here I have done 8 questions out of 15 right now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. On slide 7, convert the bulleted list to a smart art graphing using the style vertical bullet list. Okay, on slide 7, convert the bulleted list to a smart art graphic. We will select this and then convert the bulleted list to a smart art graphic using style vertical bullet list. Convert to smart art graphic and then we will convert to style vertical bullet list. Where is vertical bullet list? Okay, click on OK button.